Hey, I'm Cara, and today I'm going to class in collision repair technology. With the help of instructor Steve Young, I'll learn the basics of collision repair and auto refinishing. Before I jump right into the paint booth and test my ability to take a fender from blah to bright blue, Mr. Young has me start out using the Sim Spray computer software to perfect my skill. With this technology, I get to pick my paint, pick my part, and practice. The machine allows me to get comfortable with the sprayer and the motions necessary to hopefully paint with perfection. The virtual technology shows me where I use too much paint, not enough paint, and in one instance, no paint at all. Once I pass my virtual test and get my grade, I get suited up, get a safety lesson, and get mixing my paint. After a quick refresher on technique, all that's left to do is squeeze the trigger and just pray that my virtual training transfers to the real deal. To get the appropriate coverage, it takes 3 coats of paint. Thankfully, it does with ease. I have a little bit of trouble hitting the high spots and the low spots. It takes me bending at my knees, standing on my tiptoes, and swaying to and fro. After I get the paint somewhat perfect, I'm able to move on to the clear coat. The shine literally makes the fender sparkle, just like it came off the assembly line. As I look at what I've learned and accomplished today, I can't help but think that painting a car fender really isn't that much different than painting my fingernails. Maybe that's what I'll do next.